Did you know one machine can turn a digital design into a real product? This is a 3D printer, and it creates objects layer by layer using plastic or resin. From phone stands and toys to shoe soles, home items, and custom gifts. This one machine can do it all. You can even upload your own picture or custom design, and the printer will turn it into a real product. A beginner 3D printer costs around $1,000 to $1,500, and a single product can sell for 5 to 10 times profit. People around the world are already earning in US dollars by selling 3D printed products online and offline. Hi, friends, I'm Manu, and welcome back to my series. One highly profitable small business idea. Today, this is idea number 15. If you're looking for a low investment business with high profit and a future that keeps growing, don't skip this video. In today's idea, I'm sharing the complete step by step details of a practical, trending business you can start from home. Create real products from digital designs, sell both online and offline, and scale it over time. One 3D printer can create unlimited products and powerful business opportunities. And this technology is changing the future of small businesses. If you want 3D printer buying links, comment your country name and write 3D printer links, please. Like the video, follow and subscribe. And I'll share the design files too. I'll drop your links in the comments. And if you want more details, what is a 3D printer and how does it work? A 3D printer is the machine that melts plastic, resin, or metal layer by layer to create a real object according to a computer design. First, we create a 3D design on a computer or mobile device, and then the printer follows that design to slowly build the real product. This process is called additive manufacturing because objects are built by adding layers, not by breaking or cutting materials. What can you make with a 3D printer? Today, people use 3D printers to make shoe soles, household items like wall hooks, flower pots, switchboards, mobile stands, kids' toys, small cars for children, bicycle parts, bike plastic parts, kitchen tools, showpieces, custom gifts, keychains, nameplates, phone cases, and even bricks and walls for homes. In China and Europe, entire homes have already been printed using 3D printers. How much does a 3D printer cost? A small 3D printer costs around $300 to $600, 80,000 to 150,000 Pakistani rupees or Indian rupees. A medium level printer costs $1,000 to $2,500, which is ideal for business. Industrial 3D printers range from $5,000 up to hundreds of thousands, used mainly by factories. For beginners, a $1,000 to $1,500 printer is perfect. Raw materials used in 3D printing. 3D printers typically use PLA, RBS, TPU plastic filament, or resin. 1 kilogram of filament usually costs $10 to $20, which can produce 20 to 30 small items or 5 to 10 medium-sized products. This makes raw materials cheap and profits high. Potential earnings from a 3D printing business. For example, a mobile stand costs about $1 to $2 in materials and can sell for $5 to $8. A custom nameplate costing $3 can sell for up to $12 to $15. Even selling 10 products a day can generate a daily profit of $50 to $100, with monthly earnings ranging from $450 to $900 or more. How to sell your products online and offline. You can run a 3D printing business offline by selling to local markets, gift shops, schools, toy stores, and builders. Online, you can sell on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, and marketplaces like Etsy or Amazon. Custom orders usually have higher profits because competition is lower. Common questions FAAS. People often ask, is it difficult to operate a 3D printer? No, 7 to 10 days of practice is enough. Does it consume a lot of electricity, similar to a normal washing machine? Do I need to know how to design? No, free designs are available online. Is this business future proof? Absolutely. Demand is increasing every day. Custom designs and pictures with 3D printing. An amazing feature of 3D printers is that you can add your own picture or custom design. Whatever small or large item you design, the printer will create a real product for you. This is especially useful for custom gifts, toys, mobile stands, nameplates, and home decor items. Can you earn in dollars with this business? Yes! You can earn in US dollars with a 3D printing business by selling custom 3D printed products and design services on international platforms like Etsy, Fiverr, Upwork, Shopify, and even Amazon Handmade. On Etsy, sellers earn dollars by offering personalized items such as custom nameplates, home decor, phone stands, toys, and gifts. On Fiverr and Upwork, you can provide 3D printing services, prototype creation, product modeling, and custom design printing for global clients. Many people are also taking export orders by partnering with overseas buyers, small brands, startups, and inventors who need samples, prototypes, or small batch production. With a 3D printer, you can work with international clients directly from home without a physical shop or warehouse. Payments are received through PayPal, Payoneer, or bank transfer, making the process simple and secure. Another powerful way to earn is by selling digital 3D design files, STL files. Once a design is created, it can be sold again and again without extra cost, creating passive income in dollars. Some sellers earn monthly income just by selling digital designs online. If you want 3D printer links, comment with your country name and write 3D printer links, please. I will reply to your comment with the links. I will also provide 3D printer lyrics, but only for those who have subscribed to my channel and liked the video. Friends, please share this video with your friends who are interested in 3D printing or want to start a business. It will be very helpful for them.